Hi, today I'm in Steyn City again in the city center, showcasing two of the apartments, a 2-bedroom and a 1-bedroom apartment. The 2-bedroom we're about to see is a corner unit, absolutely stunning, and I am literally at the corner where the unit is situated under a very stunning pergola that gives you additional seating space if you have guests. And now we're going to head for the unit. So one more look at where I am right now. I'm literally at the end of the building. This is the city center, Steyn City, and you can see absolutely stunning city views. And what you can also see is the lagoon just across on that side. And now I'm going to head for the unit that I'm going to be showcasing, and this is a 2-bedroom unit. So imagine this is actually the end of the unit, and you can imagine if you have guests, you can come and sit here under this pergola, and you also have space inside as well as a covered patio and an open patio. It's an absolute stunner. Let's go in. Okay, so we are inside the unit now, and in a second I'm going to show you how spacious and how gorgeous it actually is. And I am right next to the entrance here. This is ground floor unit, great views, cupboards immediately from the entrance starting, as well as the built-in fridge, Gaggenau appliances, and I will now show you the rest of the unit. It is a stunner. As we open the door, the first thing we see is the generous cupboard space. You can put a whole lot of bits and bobs here, and also very cleverly positioned strip lights that just gives it a little bit more character, and it also makes the lighting at night very beautiful. We are now in the kitchen, countertops with a marble effect, and there's a lot of countertop space. And I'm now pointing out at the Gaggenau oven and gas top, and of course top of the range extractor fan. It's really stunning. And there is also the Gaggenau microwave, and then the rest of the appliances, there is just the extractor fan. How pretty is that? You get the light. And while I'm here, there are the rest of the appliances. There is a Siemens dishwasher, and then these are your cupboards, plenty of drawer space as well, and then additional appliances. We've got the Siemens washing machine and tumble dryer. So very nice big kitchen space with plenty of countertop space, as well as space to place your bar stools. The living room and dining room, open plan, beautiful, big. There's enough space here to put your chairs, as well as, I would say, a 6-seater table plus couches and your TV setup right here. All the connections are already here, so you can activate your internet. There's also built-in aircons, as well as even a fire alarm. You'll find this in all the units. And again, those beautiful mood lights, the strip lights that you are throughout the unit, we'll find them in the bedrooms as well. There's a door leading to the covered patio, as well as a door to the open space. This unit is a corner unit. It overlooks the lagoon. It's literally just across from us. You have plenty of space in front. You can put maybe a garden chair or two, and all these trees are going to grow very nicely, giving additional privacy. And just a quick squeeze around here. This is the covered patio that is accessible from the 1-bedroom. And then just a look from the outside of your windows. They are tinted and reflecting, so it's quite a private space as well once the windows are closed. I'm walking back into the living space. And on the side here is the guest toilet, nice and private, tucked away. And then the first bedroom, very spacious once again. And the whole unit is vinyl flooring, so low maintenance and very beautiful, also soft and warm. Again, built-in air conditioning and the lights. And then this is the unit where the doors fold open onto a covered patio area. Can place very nice garden furniture here in the shade. What's important to note about the city center is that the electricity, the gas is prepaid, and you also have a generator, so when there's a power outage or load shedding, the generator kicks in automatically. That's great. And I've now stepped back into that bedroom, and there's the bathroom, full bathroom. So both bedrooms have full bathrooms. This one has a bath, single basin, and a shower. And again, very nice and spacious. And they've done the same design with the beautiful lights around the mirror. And there's also windows in the bathrooms, both bathrooms, which I always find is great. This door literally slides and hides in the pocket in the wall or stays open as you need it. Stepping out from this bedroom and back into the living room. The second bedroom is across the left-hand side of the living space, and this is the bigger bedroom. So you could call this the main bedroom. It's a lovely big space, king-size bed, very comfortable, plenty of windows. And a reminder again, this is a corner unit, so you don't see any neighbors next to you. You just see the beautiful greenery, the stunning blue sky, and really beautiful, beautiful location, and a very spacious apartment. This is now the closet, and again we have this door that slides into the pocket doors. And now I'm stepping into the bathroom, and the bathroom again very spacious shower, and then the double basin here and the bath. And this one has even bigger windows. And again in the bathroom, strip lights throughout, highlighting the mirror, highlighting the bath. There's even strip lights under the bath and under the basins here. So nighttime this looks really beautiful and luxurious, in line with the quality and style of Steyn City. A real stunner. Give us a call.